We're really excited about having a very strong year in 2014. The business grew tremendously. We're seeing our current pace, we're growing almost twice the rate of the rest of the industry, which is very, very exciting. We're now a little around 600 people, employees around the globe, offices in over 11 different places around the globe at this point. Big focus continues to be our continued leadership position in display, but more recently this push into video and native. Mobile has been a part of our business now for over 2 years, with us reaching nearly a peak of 25% of our revenue run rate in Q4 of last year came out of the mobile side of the business, and it's growing so much faster than our display business. We could see that in the next couple of years, we could see that eclipse 40 or 50% of our revenue run rate. This year, earlier in the year, we announced that from a business standpoint, we're pacing at about 120, 130 million net revenue run rate, so very excited about what's been happening at Pubmatic, and looking forward to continue growing the team and growing our relationship with publishers. We invested in video much like mobile, where we invested in mobile 3 years ago. We invested in video early. Our real promise is that the publishers are really looking for a single platform solution. So our one platform offering to the publisher can't be complete unless it including video and included native, and it even thinks about and includes audio down the road. So we've been doing great in video. We announced video about a year ago at CES, I think with you guys. We told the world for the first time that the platform was capable of doing video. We've been doing video over mobile for certain partners and continue to invest in that arena. So very excited about what's happening there. But really the promise is automation software or marketing software for publishers, being that one platform solution for them that thinks about how we solve across all of these distribution channels for them, and make sure that they continue to be successful in their businesses. Native is, I think it means a lot of different things to a lot of different people at this point. The one thing that I think universally everyone will agree about native is that it is about making sure that we try to achieve an authentic conversation or an authentic engagement with an advertising message in an environment, right? So it has to be bespoke to that environment in that regard. One of the things that we realize you could do, because of the fact that you have to scale native, you actually do need some standards around what you do. We've managed to really build into our system the ability to look at all of the attributes or the individual characteristics that make up an ad unit, find a way to break those down and then rebuild them into the environment so that we can remain authentic to the environments that we're in, but we can allow our publishers to actually scale a native offering so that they can actually allow them to scale the revenue behind it. Without that, the concept of native really begins to be interesting but not really profitable for the publisher. The platform now is actually bringing profitability and monetization behind what is a very innovative way to talk to consumers.
And finally, we're here at the Luma DMS, which is pretty amazing.
And 7, right? The 7th year.
And you guys are a sponsor, and tell us about the event, why you're into it, and about what's going on here.
Sure. Terry has done an amazing job. The Luma Partners business has really flourished in the last 7 years. And this event, I think, really culminates a lot of what that work is in the rest of the year. We're excited to be here, excited to be able to support as a sponsor, but most excited just being able to network in the room. The executives that participate, the people that are here, there's a tremendous amount of business opportunity that can be afforded just by being here. So as always, we're excited to be a part of DMS.